And this week's special guest in the hot seat is Weston Meredith. Oh yes, you know him. He plays a lot of different characters, but you know him most as Kristoff.
Hear me out, girls. These here are supersized meals. 2 tiny girls plus 2 supersized meals equals 2 normal sized girls. I did the math, it all checks out.
I'm here, Anna! Where are you?
I'm right here.
Sugar Muffin, what happened to you? You're also, hairy. You're all werewolves.
Soon you'll be one of us.
Sure, that sounds like a lot of fun. But, first, go fetch.
Hey, Anna, is that an injured bird over there?
Where? Oh no.
Do you see it?
I don't see a bird. Where is it? Kristoff, what's wrong?
I'm okay. Elsa, you look gorgeous tonight.
I know.
We have to eat miso noodle soup.
That sounds a little easy.
It would be, but we have to use chopsticks.
Okay.
Okay, Aurora, here's the rules. Whoever eats the most but spills the least wins. Are you ready?
All right, let's do it.
Go! Got me so hungry! Okay, gotta pick these chopsticks up and
Yep,
here
there we go. Ooh,
All
little
right, yeah, make
spiffing
sure.
up. Okay, here we go.
And we're
Now-
gonna go now and eat this delicious. I love noodles. There. Well, you know, there's not a whole lot of. I just need some.
Oh, there's some chewy
There we
noodles.
go.
Wow.
There we go.
My arms are great. Yeah.
That is really
Oh.
good.
Yep.
Time's up. Ooh,
Wow. It's a miso heart
I am so full. I just, you know what I do when I'm full? I just rub my belly. Rub it. Oh, so good.
Yes.
I'm Alistair from Clyde Macintosh. I once fought off entire army with one hand while I fought a bear with my other hand. You should marry me, princess. I was wrong. You're not funny.
Whoa, what's that?
It's a shrinking ray, you moron. I stole it from Batman. This is my favorite part. I need to get into Arendelle Castle so I can be king, master of menace. But I'll have to use a trick to get past that grumpy old guard. The guard won't let me in, but maybe he'll let my sweet doll face in. I'm Holly and I love my pudding. Wonderful. I sound just like her.
So this one is worth double points.
Woo.
And it's the last one, and we're tied. We both have 17 points, so whoever wins this one wins.
Oh man, what if? Okay, wait.
And
Who
it
is
comes
it from?
Batman.
Holly. Let's just leave. Let's leave right now. Let's leave.
We have to do it, Mr. J.
Why?
You scared? You're scared?
I hate
Don't be
Batman. I'm not scared of anything.
Okay.
Why?
Let's go. Eyes closed.
You're tasting it first. All right, you tell me when you tasted it because I don't want to choke.
I don't know what this is. It kind of tastes. It has a weird shape to it.
Is it a square?
I really don't know what this is. It tastes like a dessert.
Ooh, Oh my.
Tastes sort of chocolatey, but I don't know.
That's really sweet.
Really sweet.
What?
Very crunchy. Even crunchier than usual, but kind of hollow inside.
I don't know the secret identity of this cereal, just like Batman.
I actually find you VKs very fascinating. Especially Evie.
Ooh, Evie. Do tell.
Oh, you heard that? I just think that Evie is the most beautiful girl I've ever seen. And plus she's nice and she's smart and I just think she's amazing. She thinks I'm probably just a dopey nerd.
Okay, Spider-Man, your turn.
Okay.
Talk like a dolphin on a mobile phone. Go!
I'm underwater!
112%.
Aquaman taught me that one.
Nailed it. You survived the mini challenges and the hot seat. Awesome sauce. You can come back to the treehouse anytime you want.
Aw, thanks.